Alabama's deer herd provides recreation and enjoyment for hunters and other wildlife watchers. It's essential for the Alabama Wildlife and Freshwater Fisheries Division to have good data about this important resource. And that's where I come in. As a hunter, I'm required to report all deer harvests using GameCheck. By giving just a few details, I'm providing information that wildlife managers use to make decisions on how to better enhance my future hunting opportunities. Using the Outdoor Alabama app on my phone to complete GameCheck takes just a few seconds. Under Harvest Reporting, I select GameCheck, then Deer, and enter the county where I took my deer. I also select if I was on private or public land, date of harvest, if my deer is antlered or not, number of points if antlered, my email address, and then I submit my data. Using the Outdoor Alabama app to complete GameCheck before I move my deer means I don't need to use a paper harvest record. Those who don't use the app still need to use a paper harvest record before they move their game and then go online within 48 hours to complete GameCheck. This app is all I need to show a conservation enforcement officer that I have complied with the harvest recording and reporting requirements. It also holds my license information, so I don't need to carry a paper copy in the field. Remember, the app is for one person only, so I can't use it for anyone else but me. I can visit OutdoorAlabama.com using the browser on my phone to help GameCheck someone else's deer. GameCheck is mandatory, and every hunter's entry is valuable. The Alabama Wildlife and Freshwater Fisheries Division uses this information to understand more about the dynamics of Alabama's deer herd and to guide management decisions. Thank you for doing your part to help manage the wildlife that we all enjoy. And remember to GameCheck.